Once upon a time, in a land blanketed by snow, a magical winter adventure was about to unfold. It would be an adventure filled with wonder, friendship, and a touch of magic that would change everything. On a frosty morning in the small town of Frostville, children were bustling around the town square, building snowmen. Each snowman was unique. Some had carrot noses, others had twigs for arms, and a few even wore scarves borrowed from their creators. Among all the snowmen stands one special snowman, a little different from the rest. His name is Sneeze. But among all the snowmen stood one special snowman, a little different from the rest. His name was Sneeze. Sneeze wasn't an ordinary snowman. He had been brought to life by a sprinkle of magical snow dust, blown in by a mysterious winter breeze. As soon as the last button was placed on his chest, Sneeze wiggled his stick arms, blinked his coal eyes, and sneezed a big, frosty achoo! Achoo! The children look around. The winter morning feels different. The snow sparkles like diamonds, and the air is filled with a faint jingling sound, like tiny bells. Sneeze, let's find out where the magic is coming from. The group follows the jingling sound through Frostville. Along the way, they meet other children who join them, curious about the magical snowman and the mysterious sound. They walk past the town's bakery, where the smell of freshly baked gingerbread fills the air, and the toy store, where colorful decorations hang in the windows. The jingling sound grows louder as they reach the edge of the forest. Don't worry, I'll protect you. Besides, I'm a snowman. I'm not afraid of the cold or the dark. Encouraged by Sneeze's bravery, the children follow him into the forest. Have you heard the jingling sound? It's coming from the Frosty Hollow. That's where the magic lives. Welcome to Frosty Hollow. Out from the castle steps a tiny elf with rosy cheeks and pointy ears. He wears a hat covered in jingling bells. You must be Sneeze the Snowman. We've been waiting for you. Waiting for me? Why? Every year, a magical snowman is chosen to help spread winter joy and keep the magic of the season alive. Your sneezes are special. They're filled with winter magic that brings happiness and laughter to everyone around you. The children cheer. Sneeze, you're a magical snowman. Sneeze blushes, or at least his cold cheeks turn a little darker. What do I have to do? Jingle leads them to the shimmering fountain. This fountain holds the spirit of winter. If you stand close to it, your sneezes will carry magic to every corner of the world. Sneeze steps forward, a little nervous but excited. He feels a tingle in his snowy chest, and before he knows it, he lets out the biggest sneeze ever. Achoo! A swirl of sparkling snow flies out of Sneeze's nose, spreading across the forest and beyond. The snowflakes carry laughter, cheer, and warmth to everyone they touch, even on the coldest days. Narrator, Vo. The adventure didn't end there. Sneeze and the children stayed in Frosty Hollow a little longer, helping Jingle and the animals prepare for the winter festival. They decorated the ice castle, sang songs, and shared stories by a cozy fire made of enchanted, non-melting snow. When it was time to go home, Jingle promised that Sneeze could return anytime he wanted. As long as there's snow and laughter, the magic will always be here. Narrator, Vo. Back in Frostville, the children told everyone about their magical adventure. And Sneeze? He became the town's favorite snowman, sneezing magical snowflakes wherever he went, and reminding everyone of the joy and wonder of winter. And every time he sneezed, the children would laugh and shout, "Bless you, Sneeze the Snowman!" Fade out.